Hello friends, welcome to the School of E-Learning. Today we will discuss CNC machines. NC, CNC, DNC machine. These are the definition and applications of CNC machine. Comparison between NC and CNC machine. Advantages and disadvantages of CNC machines. Now here comes DNC, that is benefits of DNC, advantages of CNC over NC machine, elements of CNC machine. First one is input devices. Input devices include punch tape, punch cards, magnetic tape, computer disk, floppy disk. Diagram of punch card. Definition of punch card. Here comes punch tape, magnetic tape, now the MCU, which is the heart of the CNC machine. Now the CNC tooling, some single point tool and multi-point tool examples are there. Driving system, servo and the stepper motor. Here comes the servo motor and its advantages and disadvantages. The stepper motor definition, and the advantages and the disadvantages of the stepper motor. This is your assignment number 1. Thank you.